If you are looking for the best foam cannon for pressure washer, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. DUSICHIN SFL001 Foam Cannon Snow Foam Lance Pressure Washer. This foam cannon comes with a 1/4 inch quick disconnect fitting and features a 1-liter bottle. All of the included connectors are made from quality brass, so durability shouldn't be a concern. To use this foam cannon, your pressure washer must have 2.0 GPM and over 1000 psi of pressure. It supports a maximum flow of 5.3 GPM and a maximum pressure of 3000 psi. Designed for enthusiasts and professionals, this product is adjustable so you can control the mixing and how much foam it generates. Number 2. Tool Daily Foam Cannon with 1/4 inch quick connector. Tool Daily's foam cannon includes 5 spray nozzle tips. This adjustable foam cannon is equipped with a 1/4 inch quick disconnect fitting and a 1-liter bottle, with the ability to control foam generation and spray pattern. It's compatible with pressure washers from 2.0 GPM to 5.3 GPM and 1000 psi to 3000 psi. The included nozzle tips allow you to select from several different spray angles: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and 65 degrees. It is used to wash motorcycle, car, roofs, driveways, siding, floors, and windows. Number 3. Chemical Guys EQP 310 Torque Professional Foam Cannon. If you go for this package, you get a Honeydew Snow Foam Cleanser. Their unique air injection system produces some real thick foam. They claim to have a thread lock system designed to protect the bottle head from getting broke against brass. With a large see-through soap bottle, you are about to get some good amount of snow foam that has a citrus smell to hypnotize you. However, this bottle is reported to work better with more than 2500 psi pressure washer jet. Number 4. Twinkle Star Foam Cannon 1L Bottle Snow Foam. Although this foam cannon looks similar to other recommendations on our list, it does include 5 different pressure washer nozzle tips, allowing you to control the spray angle. This option is pretty standard, with a 1/4 inch quick disconnect fitting in 1-liter bottle, but it does recommend a pressure washer with a minimum flow of 2.5 GPM and 1000 psi of pressure. All the connectors are made from quality brass, and the cannon itself is also adjustable so you can control the amount of water and the thickness of the foam. It's capable of dispensing up to 20 feet. Number 5. Matcc Adjustable Foam Cannon I-liter Bottle Snow Foam Lance. Matcc's adjustable foam cannon is another best product for you, with a 1/4 inch quick disconnect, 1-liter bottle, and requiring a pressure washer with at least 2.0 GPM and over 1000 psi of pressure. It supports up to 3000 psi of pressure and a maximum flow of 5.3 GPM. This foam cannon is adjustable, allowing you to dial in the sprayer for any situation, along with controlling the mix and foam generation. Quality brass components make up the core and main body of this foam cannon, while the foam maker core is constructed from stainless steel. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.